Jaspal Singh. I'm lecturer English in GIC Lamachor, Haldwani, Nainital. Today I watched the video uploaded by Dr. Gokul Espartolia, lecturer biology, GIC Gunia Lake, Nainital. He has asked some suggestions regarding English speaking day that we observe on every Saturday. Is it sufficient or enough, or we need something else? Definitely, it's not sufficient. As being a teacher of English, I know very well that English conversation skill cannot be learnt in a day, in a week. So, every day should be observed as English speaking day. And I know very well that everyone will be agree that learning English is not conversating English. Conversation is different thing and learning English is very different thing. Conversation comes from practicality. And we English teachers are teaching them theoretical things, theoretical aspects of language very well. But it is also considered that it is the task of English teacher to teach conversation also to the students. But we forget one very small thing, that environment is very much important. If we have English speaking environment, then there isn't any much effort that we should do. Students learn itself. English medium schools, what they do? They never teach English conversation, or if they do, they just do time pass. Because students learn themselves. They learn from environment. They learn from each other. They learn from teachers. Every teacher is coming and speaking English, and they pick some sentences, pick some words, and they start speaking English one day or the other day in junior classes or the senior classes. But definitely they start speaking English. Yeah, in our schools too. What we need is to create such environment, English speaking environment. And to create such an English environment, we don't need any magic wand. An English teacher is not a magician that it may use a magic wand and students start speaking English. Instead, we all teachers in schools should take it as our responsibility to teach students some basic vocabulary of their own subjects, because knowledge boosts your confidence. And if students know how to speak a particular word and what its meaning is, they start feeling confident. And when it comes to conversation, when it comes to dialogue making and dialogue delivery, they don't feel lack of vocabulary. Yes, it's my suggestion. It's my humble request also that all the teachers in a particular school, they also take it as their duty to teach students some basic structures, basic vocabulary of their own subject, so that when they come up in society, in gatherings, they can use some different words in English. And there are some more suggestions. I am also looking forward. My English speaking fraternity or English teachers fraternity, I am looking forward that some of the teachers also give some suggestions in it. So thank you, Dr. Gokul Espartolia, for taking this initiation. And this initiative will definitely prove and bring some suggestions to us. Thank you. Thanks a lot.